My friends, welcome back to the live stream. My name is Oscar Ramos, yours truly, your host for tonight. Wow, honestly, I am thrilled, I'm excited, I'm pumped. And if you're watching this, it's because you're subscribed or you, so for some reason, YouTube is telling you to watch this. And I'm honored to have you here. In this night, we're going to be going over AM token, Shiba Inu, other cryptocurrencies of the moment tonight. I'll tell you that, wow, what I've seen so far, and get comfy. Let me do all the work for you. Let me do all the work for you. You're not gonna do anything but just enjoy the show, and of course, delight me with your awesome comments in the chat. The chat is yours. Go ahead and annihilate the chat. Thank you and welcome aboard. Everyone, I feel incredible. It's Sunday. I'm ready. I got my water right next to me, and we're looking here at the chart. I do have some couple of updates that I'm gonna show you later on. Oh yeah, it's Halloween. There you go. I mean, all of the things are coming up. But guess what? Your boy Oscar Ramos here from Texas is grinding, 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 and I feel so privileged to have you tonight. We're gonna go over what happened with I'm Token Classic and what's happening with Shiba Inu and what's happening with many other different coins, right? That we often see as opportunities. But let me tell you guys that it is just pretty cool. What a great week. To start this, let me go ahead and express what this week has done to us and where we're heading right next to us, okay? But first and foremost, let me say hi to Tony, Trevor, Dark, Sena, Jose, I am, Jerson, Tony, Caesar. Guys, welcome aboard. Almost 13K subscribers. Keep it up. Go, Oscar, making it happen. Absolutely. And all of that is because of the amazing support we have. So if you kindly, please go ahead and give us a like right now. Thumbs up so YouTube starts recommending this to all parts of the platform and helps us get more traffic here. That'll be amazing. And if you like, consider subscribing to the channel right now for more information about crypto. Thank you, everyone. So the title of this live, I named it Crypto Live. I'm talking Shiba Inu new prices, altcoins moving. Because, yes, everybody wants to hear about Decentraland. I know, right? Or like what's happening with Mana. And well, what I've heard is Mana, I mean, that's the metaverse because of Facebook, like they partner with Facebook, because I mean, something along those lines. And that tells you guys how that metaverse world that Facebook was talking about in the release of that video this week, a lot of things happened this week has to influence in some way or another cryptocurrencies. Well, I mean, I'm just insane, right? Like, wow. I didn't see it coming, but I did see coming the powerful things of NFT. So absolutely, I'm gonna go ahead and analyze that for later on, very soon. First and foremost, guys, this week was incredible for me, for us, guys. Honestly, I'm very excited because I gotta tell you, the channel grew so much. The channel grew so much because it is just insane. It is just insane what we've done so far. It is just insane what is this? And then where's my life? Let me go ahead and there you oh. Let me see everyone. For some reason, if I'm still live, let me see. Okay, yes. Okay, yes, I'm still live. So okay, I pressed something and it took me out of the live. Here it is. Okay, there it. Okay. So, guys, sorry for those technical difficulties here. Yours truly still getting used to YouTube. Okay. Now I know what not to press. So, how you doing, Am? Welcome. All right, now I know what not to press here because it's kind of weird. Typical YouTube, right? Typical YouTube. So go Shiva Army, we can do it. There you go, guys. So welcome aboard, get comfy, everyone. We're gonna be talking about. So as I was speaking, as I was saying, what I was saying here was that this week was incredible for the channel. I started talking about Shiba Inu, and started doing Shiba Lives because of the price changes. And honestly, that helped the channel grow a lot. I think I get a lot of brand new community. And to all of you guys who are here from that Shiba Inu Lives, let me welcome you. I do two lives for sure on Tuesdays nights and today Sunday nights, which we not only talk about Shiba, but we talk about all of the cryptocurrencies that I personally like, that I know the investing strategies. I go ahead and answer any questions here in the chat, and you name it, right? So it's not only Shiba Inu, but it's everything, and that's what I like. Then after those Sundays and Tuesdays, then I go after one specific or so. Really depends what I want to do that day. But anyway, welcome aboard, guys. My name is Oscar Ramos. In this channel, we talk about stocks, strategy, and cryptocurrencies. Very, very happy to have you here. I'm talking to you from Texas. So the first thing I want to tell you guys is what happened to AMP token. That's how I'm going to kick off this live. Then I'm going to go to Shiba Inu, and then I'm going to go to the altcoins moving. We know what's happening with Decentraland right now. We know what's happening with Dogecoin right now. We know what's happening with Saitama and crazy different cryptocurrencies. Also Cardano, Algorand, ACH right now is jumping from some way or the other. So we just have so much to talk and not much time. So I'm gonna be concise, to the point, and please enjoy the show, guys. So let's go ahead and get started, shall we? Well, the first thing that happened today with AMP token, let me tell you. So on Monday, I brought to you my summary of Tyler Spalding, CEO, the AMP token, the Flex Network interview. It was well received, many views, many questions actually. I liked it. I really like to kind of get in depth of what's happening behind the scenes with Flex Network. What is AMP token, everyone? What AMP token, you buy this stapler online using cryptocurrency with the Flex Network system. So imagine this is Staples, right? The merchant store, and Staples happens to use Flex Network for cryptocurrency payments. So once I pay with my card, whatever, at Staples, because Staples uses Flex Network to help or to facilitate cryptocurrency payments, I decide as a consumer to pay with Dogecoin, right? So I buy this staple with Dogecoin at Staples, and because I did that, that transaction is going to be collateralized immediately with AMP token. Once that transaction with Dogecoin is clear, whether it takes 40 seconds or 10 days, that transaction is going to be collateralized with AMP tokens. And as long as it takes, then when the time is gone and ready, those AMP tokens go back to the Flex Network capacity, and the fees accrued in that transaction are bought by Flex Network and given to the stakers. And that's how the whole thing works. And that's the purpose of AMP token. No more, no less. That is what it is. Good night. How you doing? Buenas noches. Hey, Grim the Reaper. Welcome, my man. Dímelo. I love your dímelo. Welcome, buddy. Appreciate it. I'm going to continue and buy AMP token at the price in my Ninja Turtle pajamas while eating my Lucky Charms. There you go, Caesar. You know how to do it. So that is what it is when AMP token. How we like it and what we like it is, well, if you're not aware, it's just a great cryptocurrency that has a unique proposition for us. I like that there's a team behind it with a purpose in mind. And in that interview that I was telling you right now, the CEO, Tyler Spalding, goes out and says, well, from 5 to 10 years, by the time Flexa, the company, reaches a position where they actually want to be. And I'm like, oh boy. So it does gonna take a while for the entire company and the rails of the industry they are trying to do, right? And what AMP token is just kind of like hand in hand working with that because they created it. So the price we saw today, that's just kind of like a brief summary of what it is. I'm gonna go ahead and zoom in right now. This is the 1 day. This is not telling us much, and I'm gonna go ahead and expand it right now. So look at this. I think this is very important for everyone to understand. Ever since September 2nd, so almost 2 months. So it's September 2nd, October 2nd, almost 2 months with nothing. I'm going to repeat that once again. Almost 2 months with nothing. You understand that, guys? Like just look at the volume, everyone. Nothing. So it's just insane, right? It's just insane. So wow, like I was very surprised what happened today, and we are really excited for it. So today, whales and the big money pocket people decided to pump AMP token, which is great. This is the 5-minute chart, and this is what it looks like today. I posted a video, like a very quick update video, because it rose all the way from about 5 cents. Well, first from 4 cents all the way to 5, then back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. This is just like it looked like a pennant in 3 highs, 1, 2, 3 high, and then bullish pattern, and then all the way up. And this, guys, is the first level of the Fibonacci. So it broke it at 6 cents and it crashed. And why that crash? Because there's people selling. And I'm like, you're kidding me? Really? You are selling right now? I'm talking, wow. It is just insane. That tells us, to all my AMP token army, when people buy the token, the price increases. There's right now 50,000 holders. That is absolutely peanuts. Earlier in the month, I made a video about AMP token 20 cents. If we add at least just 5x more holders, which is gonna be 250,000 holders, which is not much compared to other ones, but it's, you know, a decent amount, 250,000 here on Etherscan. That's gonna be a lot of money pumped to AMP token, and that will bring the money to AMP token way up. Just for reference, if we go ahead and find Shiba Inu for reference, if you never saw it, Shiba Inu has going to have about 900,000 holders. And of course, there's a huge demand for Shivas because of everything that it is. So that in itself, if you are an AMP token holder, if you're buying AMP tokens, so you like everything that we discuss and that you research, because you have to do your research, imagine buying AMP token at 4 cents, which, guess what? We are close to 5 cents. I'm sure we're gonna get back to 5 cents. But the idea here it is. This beauty may take a while, but 5 cents and 4 cents, to me, it's a deal I'm not willing to let pass by. I personally already have my AMP token portfolio ready back in many months ago. I even have a video when I reached 100,000 AMP tokens. So for you, everyone, you're watching, here's my quick summary for AMP token. It's nice. You see the potential. It's there. When buyers are coming into the market, it rises. It's nothing different than any other cryptocurrency. But of course, when sellers also come, the massive sell-off occurs. Now, if you don't want to do the long-term holding and you also have been looking at AMP token for a while, what I recommend you to do is trade it. There's nothing wrong about it. Just be ready to buy and sell. What I'll recommend is Coinbase Pro, because you can sell very quickly and the fees are cheap. What do you do? Well, when you see consolidation for a while, you buy a position. You enter with a position. As you see the price increase, you start buying more, because you know it's been in a consolidation for a while. When you see a nice top and you start seeing, for this, you do require some technical analysis, somewhat knowledge to see, okay, what are the patterns that follow? For example, here, sell-off, here, sell-off, here, nice pullback and massive run, and then huge sell-off. So anyone with the right mindset could have profited thousands of dollars from this that happened today. Okay? So you guys that are listening, AMP token is still good. If you buy $10, it's not gonna make much of a difference. But if you buy $1,000, you can cash in easily $100 on every single swing trade. All right? And AMP token is so easy to understand. It pumps, and it seems that the whales don't let it run. The whales don't let it run. Barely, guys. Passing to the what? Barely passing to the first Fibonacci retracement. So, wow. What about AMP token? You guys tell me. you guys are liking the channel, make sure to go ahead and subscribe to the channel right now. Smash that thumbs up. Appreciate it so very much, guys. Welcome aboard. Very happy to have you here. How many AMP tokens do you hold? 100,000 AMP tokens for you. Do you buy Dogecoin Mars? No, I don't have Dogecoin Mars and not really looking to get it. I already did my research on Dogecoin Mars, but as always, and same kind of like what I was saying at the beginning with Shiba Inu, manage your risk, buy what you can afford. And if you are going to buy such cryptocurrency like Dogecoin Mars, just kind of be early, because that's when you get the most, like the more gains. Okay, so that about AMP token, that's what I wanted to tell you. And wow, incredible stuff. There's like many more other different news with AMP. I feel that I've covered those in some of the videos, but yeah, I mean, it's just it's a little bit interesting how the price just comes back down very fast as it comes back up. But anyway, as an AMP token holder, and if you actually join the AMP token group on Facebook, we are all used to this, so there's nothing surprising. Alrighty, everyone, are we ready for some Shiba Inu action? Because I am too. Cheers. Alrighty, guys. Have you invested in ICP, Internet Computer, and Moreno? No, I have not invested in any of those. Has Shiba Inu broken out of the wedge yet? Let me see. Well, depends which day or which chart we're looking at. Thank you so much for the information. Yes, Lena, absolutely. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching. Appreciate it. So let's go ahead and talk about Shiba Inu right now. And for this, I'm going to go ahead and just kind of leave Shiba Inu here. No. I want Shiba. So for all my Shiba subscribers who just came this week because my lives and some of the videos, I want to welcome you if you're watching, or if you're probably watching later on. So here are my thoughts about Shiba. I'm going to go ahead and do, okay, yeah, I think this is perfect. The reason why, let me see, I need, this is it, where is it? Shiba, here it is, because I do have one with all my notes. Here it is. 5 days, there it is, because I already have all my notes ready. There you go. This is what is the name of this? TradingView. Some people ask me what the name of the software you're using. This is called TradingView. Okay, guys. So and I love the Fibonacci retracement, because you can see exactly how accurate this is. This is insane. Like, this is insane. I made this Fibonacci retracement with this as the low point. Look at this precision. Look at this precision. That is amazing. Welcome, Rainer, a first subscriber that is connected here on my alerts. Thank you so very much. Welcome. So yeah, for all subscribers, for all donations, and for like with the super chat, and for all members, I have some alerts ready for you. Alrighty, everyone, Shiba Inu in the house. We're talking about Shiba Inu. We just talked about AMP token. We're talking about Shiba Inu next. So what is happening with Shiba Inu, everyone? Well, exactly what I thought it was going to happen. First thoughts come in as you guys see the chart right now. Back in October 27th, so if I go to my calendar, October 27th, it's Wednesday, guys. Wednesday, like just few days ago. There were new millionaires arrived to town. A few days ago, new millionaires arrived to town. So whether that was you or not, well, that's our problem, right? I would have never become a Shiba Inu millionaire, because I am too, like, I just don't do those kind of big investments in these cryptocurrencies, right? But there's some people who do, and they became the most successful, so kudos to them. We had some FOMO, fear of missing out. Like, people were buying left and right. There was just no stop by buying on Wednesday. This is a big picture, so you understand. Then, as always, and this is something I didn't like a lot, because that is precisely what you and me come to crypto, right? And it happened. I don't want to say it was planned, but it does seem a little bit kind of intuitive. Like everyone, like, hey, why are you doing this? So what happened is that on the 27th at sometime 12 p.m. or so, it was Wednesday, I still remember, the price of Shiba Inu was going huge to Mars, not even the moon, Mars. It reached 4 zeros and 89. It was just the best. It was top 7, 6 ranked market cap. That was the first time it had passed Dogecoin in market cap, and everyone was looking at Shiba Inu. Everyone, Wall Street was looking at Shiba Inu, Fox Business, CNBC Money, everything. And of course, the frenzy, the questions like, why is this happening and everything. And I understand, like, there's just a massive push for Shiba to grow. It's just a non-stoppable force that to me was hidden. I didn't see it. I didn't expect. But there were some people already talking here on YouTube. And I mean, just the fact that people want to make money, man. How's it going, Mark Anthony? Doing fantastic. Thank you so very much for coming in. It was just a way, like, guys, cryptocurrency is psychology, it's engineering, it's math, it's philosophy, it's human behavior, it's everything. So wow. I mean, some friends, some people who have no idea how to trade crypto, they don't even know how to send crypto from one wallet to the other, got $1,000, $2,000 just because somebody told them, hey, buy Shiba, it's going to the moon. So wow. Then what happened? Coinbase crashes, coin market crashes, right? Like, they just cannot hold because of this frenzy. And it does make sense, just kind of like oversaturated websites, right? But I didn't like that Coinbase just stopped working. Coinbase Pro and Coinbase stopped working. And that is an immediate killer to the entire buying and pump. Immediate killer. You cannot do much with that, sadly, right? If you remember, earlier this year with GME, with AMC, with Dogecoin, once you do that, once you experience that halted, once you experience that just pause, not many people are trained to figure it out. Remember, people are trained to pick up their phones, open Robinhood, buy, and that's it, and sell if they want. If there's something, if there's a small little issue in the process, that becomes an 10x problem, because this is in the entire global nation and many other servers. So yeah, it crashed, it happened, everybody like, what's going on? And it was just insane, right? Everybody covering it. Well, what happened after? Massive dump. That was the price of Shiba Inu rising all the way to 4 zeros, almost 9. Here on FTX, I believe on Coinbase, it did reach the 90. Then it came back all the way into 4 zeros, 5.6. So imagine all of that done quickly. Of course, people sold off. Of course, because as soon as circulating supply, and that's another issue, as soon as the circulating supply wasn't showing properly on CoinMarketCap and Coinbase, people were panicking. And as soon as they couldn't buy or they couldn't access, people were panicking. And if you could access, guess what they were doing? They were selling it. They weren't holding it, they were selling it. So yes, that's what happened. Then it rose back again to this fifth level of the Fibonacci at 408, and ever since it hasn't reached 408 since October 28. And ever since, the price of Shiba Inu, it's been in a consolidation, pullback, retracement. That, my friends, is what's happening with Shiba Inu. And welcome to every single one of you guys. If you like what you're hearing, or if you understand what you're hearing, smash that like button right now. Consider subscribing. I'll see the icon right here, and I'll thank you. So what's next? What's the next new price? What's the next huge price for I'm Token? What's the next huge price for I'm Token? Above 6 cents. We can do it. We did it. We can do it. We just need more holders. We just need more news about I'm Token. That's it. The work is done. Like what is the name of this guy? Like Thanos. I don't know if you heard the meme. The work is done, or something like that is the meme. It's so funny. I watch TikTok. Come on. So yeah, the work is done. The work is done for Flex the network, and I'm talking they're working, everything's there. If more people knew about it, if more people wanted to pump on token, I'm not saying that's the best way to rise a cryptocurrency, but when it comes to crypto, you need that pump, you need that fierce community. If you don't have it, sad but true, it's gonna take you longer, or you're just not gonna rise to the eyes of people. Okay, so the new huge price for I'm talking above 6 to 7 cents. I think we can do it, but we just need people not to sell. Hard, easy to say, hard to do. Santa Fe in the Mac 99, welcome aboard. I'm still buying more Shiba while prices are cheap. Thank you, my man. Welcome aboard. I made it back. Hey, the unknown gamer, welcome. The liking of the sound of the what saying. Nice stuff. What's up, Oscar123J? Welcome, buddy. So the work is done for I'm talking to make a nice price for Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu, everyone. I think Shiba Inu, based on everything that I've learned about Shiba, I will tell you that I'm more educated. Number one, I'm more educated about Shiba thanks to this week, so I'm pretty happy. I'm more educated knowing that, well, this cryptocurrency is definitely making, I think, the private institutions consider the price, because now we know AMC CEO considering adding Shiba as a payment type. If you didn't hear on Twitter, they are now, he's now saying, could we add it? He asked the community. So that's pretty cool. Good evening, Oscar. Thank you for your time, sir. Adam Miller, ACA looking like my next girlfriend got. Nice. Yes, I'll probably talk a little bit about also ACH Alchemy Pay. That's another good one for Mr. Oscar. I'm fairly new to cryptocurrencies in September. I started investing using Coinbase and Binance. Can you recommend a wallet for Shiba? Because I'm thinking that keeping those exchanges may be risky. You want to buy Shiba and keep it safe? Coinbase. Coinbase will be good. If you want a wallet for Shiba Inu, I think Coinbase. Welcome, DG. Nice. Just keep it on Coinbase. That's super safe. No worries. Coinbase is secure. No worries. Binance, I'll be more skeptical, to be honest with you. If you can, I mean, Binance has just more opportunities and more cryptos to buy. That is why. So, smash that like button. Thank you, Santa Fe. Omar Espinosa, welcome, my man. Welcome, buddy. Welcome to all the almost 200 people watching. So, what's next for Shiba Inu is... this is the price. It actually reached my price. It actually reached my price today, early in the morning, but I just didn't see it because I was probably either sleeping or just doing something else. But it actually reached my price. That's the price I'm good to buy. Sorry I missed it, right? But the definition of this price to this price is not much, so I could still buy right now and, have a nice position. I already have some millions of Shiba Inu right now. But the price right now, I think, is really good. It's way better, let me tell you, for Shiba Inu than it was before, because remember, it's always true. And the RSI helps me prove this, which I'm going to show you right now. When it comes to crypto in general, you don't want to buy at all-time highs. And when you do the year-to-date, which I'm going to do right now, even though it's going to mess up my chart, you see this beauty? I'm going to go ahead and add more boldness here because I don't like how it doesn't save. There you go. I'm going to save it as default. Okay, there you go. So this right here at the bottom, everyone. The RSI, I always used to be because it makes total sense to me. There it is. Now you can see it. The RSI indicates how the momentum is going, either bullish or bearish. For Shiba Inu, guess what? If you think Shiba Inu is down, let me tell you, my friend, with all the honesty of the world, the price of Shiba Inu, according to the RSI, which is technically proven and used by a lot of things, it's still overbought. That means there's still people holding, which is great. But as soon as people start selling, the Shiba Inu price will continue decreasing. That is factual. I'm going to utilize another indicator, which is called the MACD, the divergence. Here it is. So what you're seeing right there is the histogram, which is positive. The blue line is the MACD. The orange is the signal. Once they cross, typically it indicates a different type of momentum. It is not always true, right? It is not mandatory, but that helps us see what could happen. The RSI, the MACD, and most of the indicators that I'm showing you, do not indicate the future. Nothing forecasts the future. Us, we put silly predictions, right? But this tells us what the present is being like. So that helps us see the future. Got it? I hope that you guys are learning something. If you do, smash that like button and consider subscribing. Welcome aboard. So, that being said, my friends, I'm telling it to you like it is. Not what you want to hear, but what's truth. So, that being said, I'm going to go ahead and close the RSI and the MACD. Going back to my 5-day here on Shiba. Shiba, out of all the meme coins, everyone, I like Shiba the best because this is the first time that I've seen that it has the 1 quadrillion supply, which is so much, but they gave half to Vitalik Buterin. I don't even know how to pronounce his name. Vitalik, right? And they have some part to Uniswap. So when I see Elongate, they have the same thing. And I'm like, wow, couldn't you be more creative? Like, but anyway, Shiba Inu to me, guys, it is mainly moved by hype, by momentum, by extreme volume, purchases, and much more. We need a demand. There's a need for upcoming news for Shiba Inu. As soon as the news start slowing down, because a YouTuber, an influencer is not enough. A YouTuber, an influencer, and we can see it with Elon Musk, right? A YouTuber, an influencer is not enough. There has to be some factual, concrete facts, news to help something like this go up. Like instead of saying, we're going to have NFTs for Shiba Inu, that's speculation, but actually it happened with the Shiboshi, so that is factual and that helps Shiba Inu. There's going to be an actual blockchain for Shiba Inu, well, that is speculation. Well, Shiba Inu is coming from Shiba, so that's actually factual. You see, right? So when it comes to Shiba, what's next, what actually could be awesome for Shiba Inu is Robinhood listing. So yes, Robinhood listing, in my opinion, that is one of the biggest things that this cryptocurrency has and must fulfill, because the hype on that is huge. Robinhood listing, I've been saying, and I'll say it again, I do think it's going to be happening, but they're waiting for the right time. And at this point, of course, the Shiba Inu founders and everyone in between, they're ready. But of course, Robinhood is the one waiting and leaving everybody in suspense. When is that going to happen? For some reason, people said November 1st. I haven't seen anything on November 1st, everyone. But, well, I don't want to speculate even more because speculation is everywhere, right? Here's a more zoomed in view for the price of Shiba Inu. It reached, the first level of the Fibonacci, like I'm saying, 405. So reaching this price, everyone, is not bad, to be honest with you. But considering what I've said about the RSI, still expect a decrease in price if just more buyers or more holders start selling. Why? Well, here's a perfect time for me to open a small parenthesis and talk about the new Shiba Inus. Welcome aboard, everyone. Now, I'm talking to you from Texas in the United States. Where you guys watching us from? Let me know right now in the comments down below, please. That'll be awesome saying hi to you. Welcome. Adam Miller, superb. Nicholas, yup. How you doing, guys? Welcome. And about 1 or 2 plus Shivas, 2+ million Shivas in my portfolio. How many you guys have? So go ahead, crazy in the chat right now. Tell me how many you guys have. That will be pretty good to know. Welcome aboard. Legit crypto. I get it. Nice, and thank you for coming. Nice. So Louisiana, pretty good. Philadelphia, Amp is gonna feel like, hello. How you doing, Keith? Welcome. What website is this? This is Trading View. 7 million, 10 million, cool stuff. San Diego. Hey, Kevin. Thank you for welcome aboard. Thanks for subscribing. England, but you know that. Of course, we know that. I remember, kid. I remember you very well. Nice stuff. You can never have enough Shiba. That's true, honestly. Just so many, so many. What do you think about ICP, Internet Computer? The small research I've done on ICP, that's one of the reasons why I don't speak too much on it, is that it just has a massive technology when it comes to the plan that they're trying to do. So that's pretty cool. Incredible. Zero Shiba makes total same. Alabama, 1 trillion Shiba. Well, respect to you. Respect to you. Yes, kid, we just finished talking about AMP token. I'll probably give a summary later on, but that was the first thing that we talked in the live. 8 million Shiba, a long time. We plan to buy more when lows happen, but I believe in this will grow. Pretty cool. What's up, Kenny? Welcome, my man. So, there you go, everyone. There you go. You still have Shiba. That's pretty cool. But here's the things that I believe are going to happen at the end of the day. What I think is going to happen at the end of the day with Shiba Inu, everyone, is that there's just going to be more competition. And I may be wrong, but this is just what I think. And while I speak on this, I want to go ahead and ask you. I'm going to ask you, will Shiba copycats beat the real one? The real Shiba? Let me see what the community has to say. I'm putting this to you on a silver platter. More than 200 people watching. What do you guys think? So, will there be more Shiba Inu copycats? I think the answer is yes, but will they beat it? Because Elongate is just to me, it's like, I mean, guys, the name, Elon, I mean, what is that? You have so many out there. And I can say whatever I want, of course, but at the end of the day, guess what? I got friends messaging me, texting me, saying, where can I buy Elon? And I wonder why, because it's growing. So that's what people care at the end of the day. Don't matter if it's a copycat of Shiba, don't matter if it's very unique or has a specific community or whatever. To me, they're all dogs or some related dogs, which is like insane, right? Just think about it. But at the end of the day, these are going to continue happening. It is the community. If you have 1 million Shiba Inu holders in one bucket, and then and because Shiba Inu already exploded, and it seems that it's slowing down because that's the nature of a cryptocurrency, it can just never continue growing up, right? That's just nature. What's going to happen here is that there's going to be a new dog in town, and it's going to have amazing success because that's just what happens when you have 100 quadrillion token supply. And then some of the 1 million Shiba may decide, you know what, let me go ahead and leave Shiba and go here. Or, oh, we're making much money than Shiba Inu is happening because already Shiba exploded. So you see what I'm saying, guys. It's just going to be a loop. It's going to be a nice T-model factory that you explode one, then you jump to the other one. You explode this and you jump to the other. And you explode this. You see that? That's what I think is going to happen at the end of the day, because Shiba Inu copycats or meme coins are not going to stop happening. Baron Von Blair, welcome aboard. And oh yeah, baby, first super chat of the night. Thank you so very much. Nothing will stop Lucky. Happy Halloween, buddy. Keep 200 million Shiba though. That's nice. At the end of the day, that is exactly what we care. You making money, that is what you have to consider for you. Thank you so much for the super chat. Appreciate it, buddy. So I want you guys, to all my subscribers and watchers, to understand this. If you're enjoying this live, if you're listening to me, is think like the way I'm thinking as well. Yes, okay, let's accept the fact. Let's accept the fact that meme coins and these type of crypto dog currencies will continue existing no matter what. Good, no worries. We saw the huge growth on Dogecoin. We're seeing the massive growth on Shiba Inu. We go to CoinMarketCap, and guess who is in top 9? Shiba Inu. Here it is. Top 10, Dogecoin. So these two are a reflection of what the people want. That's the people. The rest, Bitcoin, yes, Bitcoin is the people, but guess what Bitcoin is? You guys can guess what people is? Bitcoin is your parents and probably your older brother, because Bitcoin, for most of us, we didn't even know. What do I mean? Bitcoin started very cheap 10 years ago. What were you doing 10 years ago? I wasn't even aware of how to take classes in college 10 years ago. That's why Bitcoin is not as popular, because it already reached an amazing level, which you can still start right now and see a huge growth later on. But right now, Bitcoin is just too expensive for some of us. Same as Ethereum. I do have Ethereum because it has been going down lately this year, but Ethereum is same as Bitcoin. Like, they already are mature at a point where you see the price 4,000, 60,000. You're like, wow, is there anything new, right? So understand that, everyone. Welcome, Zero. Appreciate it, buddy. So yeah, I think what I just say is kind of important, because Dogecoin and Shiba Inu are our time coins. These are our time coins. So if you want to hold something for 10 years, find that something, study that something, do some beautiful research on that something, and hold it and keep adding. Because if you would have held Bitcoin for 6 months in 2010, you would have been so disappointed today. You would have been so disappointed today. If you give a cryptocurrency just a couple of months to do something you want, probably it's never gonna reach what you want, because you are timing a crypto that shouldn't be the case. Bitcoin, imagine you go to Twitter, you see all those funny little memes where people ask, oh, I pay with 8 Bitcoins for a pizza, or I gave you 20 Bitcoins for this, because that was 10 years ago and they didn't know better. But now we see all these examples that help us not repeat history in the past. So for me, I'm looking at the cryptocurrencies that have amazing fundamentals, great utility, great teams, awesome vision and future, serious cryptos, and I'm putting most of my money there, because in 5 to 10 years, which God willing will still be alive, that's when I'm going to see the biggest financial breaking, everything breaking, family great breaking returns. Okay? Hope you guys are getting what I'm saying, because it's just true. I think it's true. If we see Shiba Inu and you leave it just because what happened in less than a week, I think that's not even fair. So that's what it is. Let me go ahead and close the poll right now. Thank you, Baron. I think you get it. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Hey, Ram, thank you so very much for that super chat. Appreciate it, and welcome. Hi, Oscar. If you had 3,000, who would you invest in Algo or in ADA right now? Well, I think that's the perfect segue for me to tell you this. Thank you so much, Aaron. I appreciate it. As we see the price of Shiba Inu right now, which just consolidated. I just finished, happy to announce, everyone, that I just finished with my Cardano ADA foundation this year. Just bought my last Cardanos, and I have a total of 5,000 Cardanos in my nice portfolio. It's pretty awesome. I love it. It's great. It's great. Feels great. And all of that soon to be staked, soon to be making me more money. So what's next for me? To finish my Algorand foundation. And that is exactly what I'm going to do with about $3,000 that is coming in pretty soon for me. So yes, to answer your question, I think your question is perfect, Aaron, because I just finished my Cardano foundation. Now I'm going to be finishing my Algorand foundation, which is currently staking on my wallet. Once I finish that, I'll have 10,000 in Cardano, 10,000 in Algorand, and my already foundation in AMP token. So you guys see what I'm just doing here? In all this 2021, everyone, just finish. I'm going to be finishing 3 foundations of my personal goals. Cardano, AMP token, and Algorand. beautiful cryptocurrencies, amazing, huge future. And once they are ready to pop, guess what? Yours truly will be ready. I won't have to be asking, let me go ahead and buy it on time. No, because I already did the work early when nobody was talking about, when people were looking at the Shiba Inu cryptocurrencies, I was building my nice looking long-term ones. That's what I believe, guys. That's where I put most of my money, good, reliable cryptos for the future, what they're about to do in the future. I love that a lot. And when I have some money on the side, when I have, okay, I just finished my nice crypto foundations, I may have some $500, $200 on the side. Boom. Shiba Inu. Boom. Saitama. Boom. Elon. You see? Now, my strategy, and I'm sharing my strategy with you guys, may not work for everyone, and that is fine. Maybe you say, Oscar, you are so boring. That's not gonna make me the enough profits I need to buy my new truck. So get away from me, you suck. It's fine. Great. No worries. Thank you for coming. But at the end, for the newer investors who watch me, for the people that don't wanna just risk it all very harsh, I think what I do is perfect. Thank you, everybody, for coming. Welcome. My name is Oscar Ramos. So if you're liking the channel right now, please go ahead and thumbs up. Consider subscribing right now. Become a member. You have all the tools right there. Check my links down below for all your free Bitcoin and stuff. Thank you. Wow, incredible stuff, guys. Welcome. Let me go ahead and check your comments. Oscar, any crypto tax advice? Omar, is it a good idea to get a tax extension until the following year? Well, Omar, if I cannot give you any financial advice, Omar, imagine tax advice. No. You're not coming to me for tax advice. The only thing I can tell you is that I already hired an accountant for all of that. And before, when you want to do your crypto taxes, do a consultation with a tax expert. Talk to them, like, do you guys manage, or have you guys done Robinhood evaluations or tax returns or so? Because sometimes they prefer a specific way for you to turn in your documents. Mine told me, well, just make sure that yours has this, and this, and Coinbase and all of this, because Coinbase has been around for a while. So if you want to do your taxes for crypto, just talk to your crypto expert. I highly recommend it's a person, because a computer may not give you the same results, and you want to do things right. You don't want the IRS to come knock your door later on. Edgar, welcome, buddy. Welcome. So yeah, see, I think that's a good way for me to tell you. Kenny Williams, 5K is a good foundation, Oscar. Yes, I actually feel that that's a good foundation. Robin, Oscar, would you buy AMP right now? Yes. Just finished talking about AMP token a couple minutes ago, but what I'll tell you is that AMP token is at a perfect place for me. I think my average is actually 5 to 6 cents. So you see it, just saw it today, guys. It pumps all the way up, it trashes. It pumps all the way up, it trashes. That's the way it's been. But at the end of the day, everyone, you are looking at some 3 to 5 years from now, you will be fine. Mr. Cam, welcome aboard. Thank you for that super chat donation. Oh yeah, baby. Thank you. People are talking about the shapes of Shiba's waves being concerning, like not cleaning wages, but the resistance line is strong above 6,000. Beautiful way to put in it. At the end of the day, I think Shiba Inu still has that momentum and community that a lot of them need. Other type of copycats. One thing I like about Shiba Mister is that it's already on Coinbase. If Floki or Saitama or other ones were on Coinbase, then I think we'll have a nice versus battle. I know Elon is already on crypto.com. That was like the biggest news ever. Like crypto.com, Elon. So of course they want to be first, because guess what? It's like the easiest business idea ever. You have a product that everybody wants to buy. The only thing you need is that store to be open, period. The same thing. I can use the PlayStation 5 example. Remember when the PlayStation 5 was released? Nobody was able to buy it. You will go to Walmart.com, buy, none. Best Buy, buy, none. Same thing. In this case, you have Floki. Everybody wants to buy it. There's no stores open. Once opens, boom, buy. So of course, crypto.com everything's gonna do great because people are getting all those transaction fees to crypto.com. So you know the rest of the story. So in those terms, I want you guys to understand, right? Coinbase here in the United States is the biggest. There's no bigger than Coinbase, but in the world is Binance, not Binance.us, Binance. So if Shiba Inu and Dogecoin are the ones that are on Coinbase, that is huge. If there's a new dog coming on Coinbase, guess what your friend is gonna do right here, right now? I'm gonna be buying that thing left and right. Yes, sir. And I'm on the record. If Saitama, Floki, and I don't even know how many names are there, I'm buying a little bit. I'm not gonna make the same mistake I made with Shiba Inu, that I can tell you, because I can sell later on and make some good money. Cheers to that, everyone. Beautiful stuff. Gracias. Anytime, Omar, of course. Thanks for touching the subject. Not many talking about it. Absolutely, Omar. No worries. Always trying to keep up the live streams. Robin, loved your channel. I've made money with your advice. Awesome. That's the idea. That's the idea, everyone. Nice stuff. Polkadot. You guys, for some reason, wanted me to talk about Polkadot. Well, Polkadot is not my forte. Like, I know what Polkadot is. It's a blockchain of the blockchain of blockchains. But I know Polkadot from what I've heard. One of the founders of Polkadot, I believe, helped started Ethereum. So just to double check Polkadot, here you are. Because I saw somebody, like I saw a review of somebody from Polkadot, because it was Vitalik, it was Charles, and one more person. And those three, let me see if Coinbase, oh, here it is. Yes, Gavin Goomer. Yeah, let me see. Here it is. Here it is. It's the most well-known trio thanks to the industry influence of Ethereum co-founder party. Yes. So Wood. Yes, I'm right. So this guy was one of the three co-founders of Ethereum. It was Vitalik, it was Wood, and it was our dear Charles Hoskinson. So I don't have Polkadot, but if there's some bright people who created Ethereum, let me tell you something. You better get some Polkadot, okay? I mean, it's the blockchain of blockchains. I know that for a while. It's an open source sharing multi-chain protocol that facilitates the cross-chain transfers of any data or asset types, not just tokens, thereby making a wide range of blockchains interoperable with each other. So that is great. That is too much jargon that, of course, Rabi, welcome, that it's hard for me to put in right now before studying it. But one thing I'm always lured to is great knowledge, great smart people. And that's Polkadot. So T Mountain, welcome. So to answer your question, Polkadot, it's a yes. Yes. Alrighty. So let me go ahead and go right here to go ahead and refresh this to see what's happening with the trading. So we talked about AMP token, everyone. We talked about Shiba Inu extensively. And now it's for me the time to give you some updates, nice, delicious updates to see what is happening. So first and foremost, the live crypto Bitcoin index, which is very important for you to understand at this time, is fear. So I'm going to go ahead and pull up the all. So we are about here. So I think the 1 year will be better. So here it is. We are about here. You can see it right here on the screen to the right. We're 40. That means that Bitcoin is a little bit fearful right now. That's what the people are saying. That is great. We don't see altcoins follow that. So you understand this is for Bitcoin generally. So Bitcoin right now is still at 60,000, but it's still at fear. Altcoins, some of them are really doing a number. So that is fantastic stuff. So that's for you to do. What's happening with this is that, well, it's great because one, it's extreme greed. It's when you typically try to sell your positions to make some money. Welcome, Dinesh. Thank you so very much. So that is good. When it comes to the crypto bubbles that we love to see, oh man, Elon, look at that. Ray 4A, welcome, my man. Appreciate it so very much. Love to see you guys. Look at this, guys. Elon. Okay, let's go ahead and study what Elon is right now. So 51,000% up in the last year. Now, you might say that's a lot, but let me show you Shiba Inu with 86 million. 86 million. That is fantastic. So just kind of like take a look at that. 86 million. That is a number that I don't think is hard to conceive. Thank you, Santa Fe. Smash that like button. Awesome stuff. So there it is. So 86 million, Elon, 51%, I mean 51,000, that is fantastic. Now, should you buy Elon? So let's go ahead and talk about it. I'm going to go back to the prices and let's go ahead and show you Elon because it's what, some people want to hear. So that might as well talk about a little bit about it right now. Doge Elon, here it is. So I'm going to go ahead and do year to date and well, oh boy. So here it is. Everybody asking about Elon. Oh boy, this is a good one. This is a good one. Elon, I don't like the name. I don't know if that has to mean something to you guys, but I just don't like the name. Like, why are you bringing Elon Musk here, right? But whatever. The website is like a little bit iffy to me, not really professionally made. Kyle, welcome, guys. Thank you. Welcome aboard. If you want to make money, listen to this, guys, because this is crypto, right? Thank you, Chris. Dan, welcome, buddy. Thank you. Happy Halloween. Appreciate it, buddy. If you want to make money right now, like this month, this week, guess what? The cryptocurrency market can offer you things in form of this. If you buy somewhere here, perfect stuff. But let me tell you, it does come with its risk. For this, I'm going to go here and show you Elon on the chart on CoinMarketCap because this is exactly what you want to see, the big picture, right? So I'm sure it could be on the highlights here. No, it's not Eno. Okay, we'll get it for you right here, which I have it. Elon. What a name, gotta tell you. What a name. It's loading the data, it's loading the charts for us. And yes, it's open on crypto.com. I have it right now. Crypto.com right here. Let me go ahead and pop that up for you. I'm going to go ahead and close this. Crypto.com. Let me see where you at. Should be somewhere here. Beautiful. Crypto.com. Let me see. Aside, there's a lot of marketing things going on here. Oh, here it is. Here it is. That was October 29. Dogecoin Mars is listed on crypto.com. So that's what we're talking about. So definitely a lot of people buying it on crypto.com. I mean, easily. That's just a no-brainer. The chart is probably starting to load, but typically where people are buying is on KuCoin, where people are buying is on other different platforms that are also very good. But basically here, since it's not loading, what I wanted to show you here, oh, here it is. This is what I wanted to show you. You guys seeing this? So big pump and dump. Big pump and dump. So if you are okay with that risk, then definitely probably this is going to be one of your precious tokens because these are the type of cryptocurrencies that are dominating the scene. When is a good time to buy or sell? Well, definitely right now. There's a huge momentum for these beauties. And wow, what I can tell you is if you can buy it cheap and make money, do it. Why not? Do it. Welcome aboard, everyone. Welcome. SafeMoon is next. I know SafeMoon is skyrocketing. Incredible. Chris, then Robinhood rumor is tomorrow at 9 a.m. will let us know if Shiba Inu is listed to be listed. Just heard it from a few other YouTubers. We know for sure or not tomorrow. Thank you, Chris, and appreciate it. Yes, that is one thing we were talking earlier today or earlier in the live. There you guys have it. I'm going to have AMP token on top, and I'm going to have Shiba Inu here at the bottom, which is right here, everyone. So let's see. I'm going to give you guys a prediction that it's very important. So pay attention to this. First, I got to drink some water. Here's the prediction. You guys hearing me. you have 50% chance that Shiba Inu will be listed on Robinhood. Yes or no? If the outcome is a yes, then the price right now is a steal, a complete steal. If the answer to that is no, then the price might drop somewhat. I will say a nice, decent amount. So for those of you who like to take risk, nice, delicious risk, you're betting 50-50, which is a good amount, to be honest with you. You're not like 1% to 99. This is 50-50. Definitely, people are saying that tomorrow may be a resolution, an answer to if Robinhood will be adding Shiba Inu. What could you do? What I recommend you is, if you are that kind of investor, maybe, just maybe, having some extra positions if it's a yes. So, typical Robinhood.com or coms adding some more information. Here on Robinhood comes where they explain about what are the cryptocurrencies that are coming to the market. They have nothing. They have nothing yet. The last thing that they've said on October 18th, that they have no announcement for Shiba. So I expect them telling something here tomorrow based on the news that we got from other resources. And there's nothing here yet. So we'll see what happens. But I'll tell you, if Shiba gets listed tomorrow or there's some news of that, I think we'll lose a zero, Kristen says. And that's what I said many days ago. Robinhood adding Shiba Inu, everyone, and I'm here going on the record, that easily I will buy. I'm buying some $500 of Shiba Inu. I'm buying some $500 of Shiba Inu. Yeah. So you see what I'm doing, guys? $500 is $500. But Robinhood adding Shiba Inu is like one of the most important events for Shiba Inu. No questions asked. No questions asked. Shiba has a lot of whales, though. Jay, Christian is right. AMC moves movies now, accepting Shiba. So that is huge. And that is an event that may happen. And if it happens, we are going shopping, my friends. There you go, everyone. And welcome everyone to the live stream. Go ahead and smash that button right now, please. And turn on those notification bells. Subscribe. Support the channel. Appreciate it a lot. Santiago, if we observe Shiba graph at 1 day scale, we can see a strong rejection to low prices. Sometimes zooming out is best, of course. Shiba has a solid following either way to be reals. So yeah, I mean, that's what I think. That's what I think when it comes to Shiba Inu, definitely. That'll be incredible, to be honest with you, because I'm going to go ahead and focus. We have the price of AMP token still nice and chill. AMP token holders, summary for AMP token holders. I hope you liked your Halloween day today. Man, it was so amazing to see 6 cents today for AMP token. Let me tell you. Where are my AMP token holders here in the chat? Where are my AMP token holders in the chat? Soldiers, the army of AMP token, I salute you. I salute you. I know it's hard for us to see our beauty go to sleep very quickly, but it is what it is. Jace S. Jamson, thank you. But yeah, whatever. Still holding our AMP, earning interest. So, focusing on Shiba Inu now. Shiv. Now on Shiba. AMP is a good buy, but it's high today. I don't think it's high, to be honest with you. I think it's a very good price. Here it is. Zoom out on Shiba Inu. So what I've said was still big in AMP. Nice kid. I'm holding AMP. There you go. Sucker Brooks. AMP. Thank you so very much. And here's the Oh, yeah. Thank you so very much, Zachary. Appreciate it. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Worst case scenario right now for Shiba, of course, following and still continuing the consolidation right here, and then consolidation right here. So not really to be worried when it comes to Shiba. If you have a position that you have an entry at a really good price. If you bought at all-time high, well, you of course are like looking all FUD and saying like, what's happening, right? So that is cryptocurrency in a nutshell, my friends. That is cryptocurrency in a nutshell. Do you see Shiba hitting 1 cent? Well, not this year, let me tell you. So not this year, but 1 cent Shiba Inu, there's a lot of factors that have to happen. A lot of factors. Is that possible? Yes, no. I'll say pending. A lot of bulls will say yes. A lot of negative people will say absolutely no. What are you saying? I'll say pending. But yes, I mean, I think it's often easy to take for granted what just happened this week, guys. And I don't want to take it for granted. The growth that you see on Shiba Inu, like explained with this yellow arrow, it's massive, guys. Well, not actually all this time. It was somewhere here. It's massive. You're saying that from 404 to 407 or 8. That is fantastic to me. That's a great progress. That's the growth that some cryptocurrencies have in an entire year, and Shiba Inu had it. So I'm grateful. Like, I'm pretty happy. Some holders should be already very well happy with what just happened, but there's always this feeling of never being satisfied. It is something fish just subbed. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. Oh, I like the fox right there. That is incredible stuff. So that is what I'll tell you with Shiba Inu, everyone. What a day, what a night. I'm going to go ahead back to the 1 day. Before we start talking about the hot altcoins moving, now it's the time to pivot very soon. So look at this beauty, guys. Shiba Inu in the 1 day, well, in the 1 minute, rising pretty nicely. That's really good. That's really good. So we see right now, this is a 1 minute, everyone. I'm zooming in right here for you. Definitely what we want to see, 4068 or so, moving in here. Pretty good stuff. So, oh man. What are your thoughts on Solana? Love it too. I already bought my first Solana, so pretty happy. I'm going to hold that baby. I want to stake Solana now. I got to learn how to do that, but yeah. I bought 112 million a week ago for 800. Now it's at 8,000. Highest was 10,000. I'm holding till it make me 50,000 and sell. That is a perfect example, right? Let me go ahead and ask the Shiba Inu army here and all the crypto army here. So, when are you selling Shiba? That is my question. Yes equal now. No, yes equal 3 zeros. No equal 1 cent. Let's see, everyone. I have to adjust because these options for the polls are very, very few, very, very limited. So when are you selling your Shiba? Yes is 3 zeros. So the next zero, it's been taken. Right now it's 4. No equals 1 cent. That's a question I have for you guys. Go ahead and wall in the chat right now. It's yours. Look at this. Pretty coming nice and up to this 407. Not bad. Not for sale. Now, who thinks Robinhood is releasing SHIB tomorrow? Well, there's a lot of questions about that because you go ahead. I mean, just take a look at this. When Robinhood, here it is. When Robinhood listing Shiba Inu, and there's all this type of things, and there's videos here on YouTube. Robinhood just leaked Shiba Inu listing, Robinhood this, Robinhood that. So a lot of people saying November 1st or so. So definitely, there's a lot of momentum. There's a lot of people saying, of course, maybe Shiba. So 40.4 billion in 24 hours Robinhood listing for Shiba. Like I said, I'm not in a rush to know when it's gonna happen because I know Robinhood eventually is not. It's not dumb. Robinhood is a for-profit company. It should list other cryptocurrencies, not only Shiba, right? I love for Shiba to be, listed, but it is what it is. It is what it is. Sellers are coming into the market right now, everyone. They don't want, you see that? You see that? They don't want this. They don't want this second level of the Fibonacci. Second level of the Fibonacci, almost 7. They don't want it. Sellers are coming in. Buyers are coming in. It's a battle. It's a battle. Right here, right now for you, everyone. Right here, right now for you. You're seeing this live. And cheers to everybody. Welcome aboard. Oscar Ramos in the house. Appreciate it, guys. Welcome, welcome. Nice stuff. Buyers coming in, sellers going out. Love it. We love it. Cheers. We have about 400 people watching. Welcome, everyone. I know it's night. I know it's Sunday. It's what? 8:30 something p.m. We're chilling, everyone. We have a good amount of time here. We love it. As we see this and as I'm getting more votes for this question, I'm going to tell you guys and answer some questions. But what a great week we had. I want to say this because I've said it at the early of the live stream, so probably some people are new here, but this was a great week for me, for the channel. I now have a lot of Shiba Inu holders, Shiba Inu people from the lives I've made this week. I'm very thankful. I'm very grateful for you guys. I'm going to be posting, of course, more things than Shiba, absolutely. I'm posting a lot of token. I'm going to be posting a lot of Cardano, Algorand, etc. So just get ready for all the flavors that you're going to be receiving, and definitely continuing talking about these cryptocurrencies that we care. Wow, very excited and grateful. This week the channel grew a lot, numbers grew a lot, so always focus, always down to earth, but really liking it. And with you guys, because you made this possible, congrats and thank you. Well done, everyone. We did it. Diego Meister just subscribed. Awesome. Elon is getting desperate to hurt Shiba. He's losing money with his Doge. Dogecoin, eh? Dogecoin. That one is the one. That's the crypto that helped me start in cryptocurrencies. We all know Dogecoin. It seems like a love-hate relationship, gotta tell you. We have 129 votes. So let's go ahead and get more. Everybody, we have more than 400 people right here. Go ahead and get more votes right now. Let's see what we can get. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Nice. Buyers are winning right now. You see that? 1 minute right now, and buyers are beating sellers. This is the 1 minute. So just past this Fibonacci right here. There you go. And the push is continuing. The push continues for Shiba Inu, everyone. The push continues. What's going to happen? We'll take a look at this. Should I invest in Doge? Mr. Steve Gerg asked. Investing whatever you want. Dogecoin, I don't have any positions there. I mean, yeah, that's what I'll tell you. ADA, of course, chumps. ADA, I love ADA. No, don't wait to 1 cent. Just crop the Fibonacci. Yes, kid. We're looking at it right now. Here come the sellers. There it come. Typical. Messing things up. Stewie, I already took my profit from Shiba and turned it into 2.7 Solana, 7.8 Polkadot, and 70 Matic. Stewie, well done. Pretty cool. If you're making money, my friend, it's okay. You don't have to actually tell us. Just make the money. Enjoy the profits, reinvest. This is a long-term purpose. Gain, no worries. Shiba just overtake Doge on CoinMarketCap by 200 million. Lol. Yeah, I think like I'm saying, like we have to understand what just happened this week. Just the fact that Shiba did this, that was incredible. As we wait for a little bit more votes, everyone, we got about 148. Yes, right now I'm also going to talk about, or I want to discuss Decentraland Mana. What happened to Mana, guys? Like insane stuff. Also, I mean, making some purchases, looking to Algorand. Algorand, I'm very excited with Algorand. Where are my Algorand holders here? Let me know, guys. If you don't know about Algorand, it is a 10 billion supply, max supply right now. It's about 6 billion circulating supply. I love it. I'm buying it. I'm staking it. I'm a governor. And actually, if I'm not mistaken, today there's a vote. I just remember. Oh, I have to do that. I think there's a vote today. Oh, yes. I think there's a vote because I remember seeing it. You have some days to vote, so I'll do it after the live because I'm a governor with Algorand, and that allows me to make even more money with Algorand. Yes. Then on ADA, I'm staking it. Incredible stuff. Yes. I got in Mana last month. Jay Turkey. Wow, really? You're making money by me. That's awesome. You buy now, the gas fees are going to be crazy. Yeah, it's true. Hey Oscar, can you explain how the burning process works of Shiba Inu? Well, right now, definitely when it's burned, it's taken out of the circulation, and those Shivas are no longer part of the circulating supply of Shiba Inu. You have 1 quadrillion total max supply, and it's been decreasing ever since. The idea, of course, for this project, I will guess, is to eliminate as fast and as much as possible with purpose, not just eliminate because you want to eliminate through transactions and through the purpose of Shiba has. Vitalik, there's some articles that the Shiba Inu number that Vitalik gave away or just stored away is now worth billions of dollars. So just imagine that. That is insane stuff. Ooh. Yeah, bro, the metaverse in game, crypto is the future. Definitely. Buy Shiba now before it crushes 3 zeros. Made a profit on Mana, but gotta buy more soon. I gotta tell you, that is not a bad idea. That is not a bad idea. So that is what we see, everyone. I'm gonna go ahead and open a second chart so we see on top Shiba Inu. There you go. It's moving. We love to see it. I'm gonna go ahead and delete my BB Bollinger Bands, and we have exactly what's going on. On the bottom, I'm gonna go ahead and about Mana. What about Mana? Look at this beauty. Look at this beauty, man. Just appreciate this, guys. Mana, everyone. Man, I feel like I missed the train on Mana. So Decentraland, I'll pick Tether. It's the same thing, but anyway. So Mana right now, just 2 days ago or 2 or 3 days ago, it was less than $1 and it rose all the way to almost $5, guys. Man, that is insane. Here it is. Boom. Almost $5 right here. And this was the price of Mana on October 28 in the morning. So just compare that. And right now the price of Mana is right here. So definitely this is an industry that, welcome aboard. That is an industry that it's, I think, unexploited, and it's gonna come very nicely with Facebook new metaverse. I gotta tell you guys, that is just a different pay grade knowledge. It's just like never stops. Imagine if you don't even know what NFTs are, that now there you have a different animal to learn from. Wow. Insane. But it's awesome. It's awesome. Mana will kill it in a few days because of Facebook. Got in Mana with 1,000 October 1st. Oh my lord, that's awesome. Shiba making an inverse head and shoulders. Look at the hourly. Got it. Well, I mean, inverse head and shoulders. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Facebook scam. Definitely not a scam. Double my money with Mana. That's cool. There you go, Kristen. That is amazing stuff. That is great, honestly. I'm almost gonna be ready. I'm also gonna be ready when my Cardano and Algorand pop. That's what I'm focusing on right now. And I also have Polygon, I have Anchor, and I have, which one is the next? Chainlink. Yes, Polygon, Anchor, and Chainlink. So guys, Mana, Polygon, Anchor, Chainlink, Ethereum, Bitcoin, Algorand, AMP token, Cardano. Oh, Theta. You guys haven't heard of Theta? Theta is pretty cool. I'm learning about Theta too. It's like a decentralized video streaming services. It's pretty cool also. It's one of the founders of YouTube is heading that one, or it's an advisor to that project. Theta. It's in the top. Let me go ahead and go to that one very quickly. You go here because there's so many projects. Like you get like, what is going on in the world? Like, don't they sleep? I know, right? It's, where is it? Like it was like 30 or so. Oh, here it is, 29th. It's $7. Theta. Yeah, so that's pretty cool. Theta is a good one. Phantom, I know it's been rising like crazy. Internet computer was like a what, $100 and something. Now it's back at 45. Cosmos also rising a lot. Axie Infinity, crazy growth too. I also want some B-Chain. That's why I added my KuCoin account. So I have KuCoin, and well, the rest 20 Algorand, definitely Polygon, definitely Chainlink, definitely Avalanche is a good one too. Yes, Polkadot, no brainer. Solana, no brainer. XRP, once it actually you can buy, no brainer. Cardano, no brainer. And yes. And well, my AMP token, to my AMP token holders, the reason why I hold AMP token is because if AMP token had XRP's market cap of 52.4 billion, one AMP token will be worth $1. I still have hope. If that happens, yours truly will be very, very rich. But that's holding for very long time. But I mean, we're not in a rush. We're not in a rush to make that happen. And as we continue, you get more and more because you're staking or earning interest. Plus, if you actually have the Coinbase card, there's people who are getting 25 AMP tokens, 10 AMP tokens, 30 something AMP tokens. So each transaction, you're getting more and more. So just look at that, everyone. It's so awesome. Alrighty, everyone. Let's go ahead and close this poll right now and see what we got. Everyone, if you're liking the channel right now, go ahead and smash that button right now and turn on those notification bells. When are you selling your your Shiba Inu? Yes, 3 zeros, no 1 cent. So most people have no, which is 1 cent. So you guys want to hold it, but 30% are looking for that next zero to be deleted to sell. So what do you guys think about that? That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. KuCoin is difficult to use. Yes, I'm new. Yes, it is kind of like, you know, advanced, I would say. Advanced. When should I buy AMP? If you see it at 4 cents, that's not a bad idea. Let me tell you. That's not a bad idea. Polkadot about to be flipped by the Shiba army. Let me see. Shiba has 38 billion, Polkadot 42 billion. Wow. Honestly, not that bad. So just imagine in the next run for Shiba Inu, we're putting a price of what? 408. That's 8. Easy 8. So Polkadot will be gone if Shiba rises at 408. Now, if Shiba deletes 10, that's easily, clearly 40 or like 45 or so. Taking a look at XRP. What is going on? That is insane. So from the 6th to the 5th, there's not much of a difference. But anyway, wow. It's just mind-bending. And the price right now keeps rising. Keeps rising, everyone. It's insane. Insane stuff. Woo! Love it. Love it. So I'm going to go ahead and delete or go away with, I'm going to go ahead and Shiba Inu. There you go. So I love to talk about, there you go. So there it is. There it is. Take a look at this beauty. What a nice, beautiful chart. What a nice, beautiful chart. So wow, 407, everyone. 407. Bam. Shiba Inu rising. Shiba Inu. Oh boy. Look at my whistle. Oh, you hear that whistle? It's ready. Oh boy. Nice. Nice. Look at that, everyone. Shiba Inu's making a comeback. That is awesome stuff. Shiba to see 407. Let's go. Let's go. Cheers. That is nice. What a beauty. You guys are liking the channel right now. Please go ahead and smash the like button so more people get to see this live and come and join us here. That'll be amazing. Wow. Moon it. Twitter accepting Tesla. Twitter accepting Shiba Inu for Teslas. According to a leak. All right. Wow. That is insane stuff. Buying the rumor of Robinhood tomorrow, I wouldn't be surprised, Chris. And to be honest with you, I would not be surprised. Because sadly, if that happens not to be the case, well, you will see a massive dump. If it happens to be the case, everybody's going to be crazy, right? When I'm happy, welcome everyone. I see you loving the stars. What is true is that right now, we might see a lot of green candles. And we're seeing the green candles. Look at this. 4071. 4071. Let's go ahead and update this beauty. 38. Well, wait. It's not updated here. For what? I don't know. But it's not updated. Oh, come on. There you go. Nice updated. Beautiful stuff, everyone. Has to update quickly. Winryu Inu, next big one. Oh boy, I'm so tired of the names ending with Inu. That is insane. Look at that volume, baby. Volume 2.83 million. Average volume 50 million. Key stats. You see that, everyone? All the info for you right about here. Jonathan, when we'll get rid of the 2 zeros? More news and events have to happen. That's just for real. That just has to happen for that. Cesar, welcome, buddy. Welcome aboard. This is the Sunday Live, everyone. Crypto Live on Sundays and Tuesdays, talking about more cryptocurrency and giving our opinions, sharing with you guys the knowledge, and asking you guys for that amazing support just by watching. It's more than enough. Thank you, everyone. You have the subscribe button right here. If you haven't done so, consider that. You can always take it back. That also supports the channel. And smashing the like button helps bring this to more people. Yes. Nice stuff, everyone. Loving it. As we see the price action for Shiba Inu, that is just continuously growing. Look at this 4071. This is what we like to see. Look at these green candles. Nice positive move. Forward. Look at this arrow. Bam. That's what we want to see, guys. That's what we want to see. This precisely. This precisely. That is what we want to see. People are buying. Let me tell you. People are buying. If we break a zero before the listing, Robinhood will break another zero for us. Look at that, everyone. Man, how many Shiba you own? Yours truly about 2 mil. How about you guys? Go crazy in the chat right now. 2 mil around here. Conservative, but buying when it drops. Loving those tips. How about you guys? Can somebody beat me? The chat is yours. Tell me right now, what is your Shiba Inu position? Oh boy, it's coming up. Look at this beauty. Bam, we're updating the price. We have 100 million, 18 million, holding 48.5 million. Man, 5 million. So some people starting with a small position. If I have 1 or 2 million, that's about $100 or so. Some people may have $500, $600, not much. 2.1 billion, mi amigo. Wow. Big whale right here. Nice stuff. I know that's not even whale number, but I like to call you a whale. Why not? 218 millones. That is pretty cool, guys. Nice. 210 millions. Incredible number. That is great stuff. Besides Shiba Inu, everyone, of course, we know, talking a little bit more broadly of other different cryptocurrencies. You have all these copycats, insane stuff. Which one is the one that will prevail? That is the main question, right? I don't see a problem in having a lot of them. If people want to buy them and make just tons of money, they can totally do so. It's just more fun, more exciting, brings a lot of attention. Steven, welcome aboard. Just more attention to the cryptocurrency market, and you make money at the end of the day. There's people with crypto.com accounts making a bank with Elon. They just buy when it's low or when it's trending up. Once they reach a goal and a point, they sell and goodbye. That's it. You make the monies. You make the monies. Yes, ma'am. Look at this, everyone. Nice moves up. We love those nice moves. We love those nice moves. Christian Rodriguez, you sold your cow to buy more Shiba. That is so funny, man. That is so funny, gotta tell you. That is so funny. What can you say about the mana, Jonathan? That the metaverse, Facebook, wow, crazy stuff. Definitely, if you see it down, like we see it at less than $3, you're buying the future, right? I mean, you see it rise a lot because there's whales coming in. They buy, they pump the price, but you're willing to hold for a certain amount of time. Do so, and you'll be fine. The prices keeps pumping. Everyone, bam. Earlier this live, I started talking with AMP token. Any AMP token holders in the chat, drop those AMP tokens, please. Look at these beautiful custom emojis, guys. If you consider becoming a member here on YouTube, AMP token, beautiful, crazy emojis ready for you. Joshua, welcome, buddy. Appreciate it. Welcome aboard. Man. Price keeps rising. That is insane. Oh, this chat always. There you go. Always lags the chat. Man, I need to buy a better computer. That I can tell you. There you go. Now it's better. Price is moving up crazy to the third level. Just as we were speaking, guys. Just as we were speaking, the price of Shiba Inu, it's rising. Beautiful. 96K AMP, holding AMP, 140K AMP, technological, nice. We have AMP, we have Shiba, we have all the goods, 56K AMP, nice, guys. If you are one of my subscribers or one of my watchers, you know, buy a computer with those Shibas, I got it, yes, absolutely. Shiba has to get back to 1 cent, have to get up all the way to 1 cent, and I'm gonna buy a better computer. That I can tell you. AMP and ACH, nice. That's a good pair. That's a good pair. So, some of the whales here are coming. Some of the sellers are coming in right now and selling. Hey, stop it right there. Stop it right there. But look at this. It just happened in a couple of minutes. 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. In the last 10 minutes. In the last 10 minutes, it went from the second Fibonacci to almost the third Fibonacci. Look at this beauty, guys. This is the more macro view, all for you. Oh, there it is. There's the buyers. There's the buyers coming in back. Nice. Saludos desde Nueva York. According to your experience, Juan, when will Robinhood listing happen? El Moreno de Villa. Thank you for watching. Greetings to New York. People are saying tomorrow. Maybe we'll have some answers tomorrow. Maybe. They will have to say they just passed the third Fibonacci. That's crazy. If Robinhood is gonna list Shiba Inu, they have to announce that's gonna happen. I guess. I mean, I'm expecting that, but typically that's the case. They don't just say, "Hey, it is now available." That's what my experience it's been so far. But yeah, I mean, that will be insane. Just broke the third Fibonacci, and now sellers are coming in. Look at this, guys. This is insane. You're seeing this candlestick, this 1 minute. Right now, it's 9 p.m. It's 9 p.m. Central Time, 10 East, and there's just Insane. They're not letting this go. They are not letting this go, everyone. Welcome, everyone. Welcome to the live stream. Having fun here and chat about Shiba, cryptocurrencies, and much more. And well, here comes the sellers. Here comes the sellers. That I gotta tell you. Shiba went from McDonald's to Burger King. Nice. Look at this beauty. Boom. Are we gonna see something around here? We'll take a look at that in a couple more minutes because this is a 1 minute. Goes fast. Goes fast. Gotta tell you. Asian market trading on right now. I mean, right now for us it's night. For them it's morning. Definitely. North Carolina checking in. Hey, Brian, welcome, buddy. Good to see you. What are your thoughts on one? And do you think you're going to buy some? I don't think I'm going to buy some because I haven't done research on one. It's just too many, man. But I think I've heard one before. Is that Harmony? Just a Brandon Dolan, what's up, my man? Looking great. Bulls are running. Thank you so very much for the super chat. And here comes very soon the oh yeah. Well, you will hear it pretty soon. But thank you so very much, Brandon. Wow. Yeah, I know. It's looking great. Bulls are running. Oh, yeah. There you go. That's what I'm talking about. Sellers are coming in. Thank you so very much for the support, Brian. Appreciate it, buddy. Guys, if you're liking the channel right now, if you're enjoying what you're seeing, everyone, smash that like button right now. Consider subscribing. Become part of the family. Talk about Shiba Inu, crypto, AMP token, Altcoin, and Cardano, many more. Honestly, love crypto. It's been a great ride. And well, gotta enjoy the ride. Gotta enjoy the ride. Prediction, what's going to do Convector? Well, I'm talking, baby. Oof, prediction. I made a video like two days ago or so, and I explained everything right there. And what we see today kind of like helps me put a better picture, but above 6 to 7 cents I'm putting by the end of the year. 6 to 7 cents around there. That's a conservative, nice prediction for AMP token, and I can live with that. AMP will be top 10 eventually, of course. Eventually. Bedtime 2 a.m. here, up in 5 hours. Night, peeps. Bye, Keith. Have a good one, buddy. Have a good one. Okay, yeah, of course, 5 minutes, not as scary, but look at this. There it is. Yes, 5 minute chart, basically barely, of course, in that second. Oh, well, yes, still in that third Fibonacci, but that's what it looks like in the 5 minute chart. Looks like this. So it's good to change every now and then. So here it's exploded. Go ahead and zoom in a little bit more. There you go. So what's happening right now? 5 minute chart. Hello, 5 minute chart. Definitely a nice coming with the buys for the bulls. Bears are now coming in and trying to sell it and stop it. Trying to stop it. So definitely buying Shiba Inu will help the price go up. 5 cents end of the year. You heard it here first. Hey, Oscar, great live. What website are you using on this screen? Thanks. Of course, Pokemon said this is Trading View. Trading View. It's very nice, very quick. Awesome. We love Trading View. So many cryptos that are better projects. Yes, that's true. There's so many other cryptos that might not be better, might not be worse, but are just exploding. And I think what's happening a lot in the cryptocurrency market is that people judge a project based on its price a lot. So if you are one of those, you're going to see elongate why do I say elongate? I don't know why I say elongate, but you see Elon and you're like, oh yeah, it's a great project because it's exploding. But in reality, you cannot compare Elon to Cardano or to Algorand. It's just like there's no comparison, right? Just the price, of course, that's doing something that others are not. Bye, Fox Sound. Thank you. Checking in. Appreciate it, buddy. Kumar, welcome. Nice, nice, nice. Everyone, we have 500 people watching. Foxhound, there you go. We have 500 people watching. I just want to say thank you for coming into the live. I'm gonna go ahead and start my summary of the live as we continue watching the price of Shiba Inu pull down. Summary of the live, everyone. Here it is. This was a great week. This has just been a great week so far for the channel, for us. Now I know what the public wants to hear, and we'll continue talking about it. We'll continue having even more lives during the day. My first ever set of lives was today, Sunday, and Tuesday. But now I'm having more lives throughout the day, and for specific topics. Right now, in this case, Shiba Inu. Maybe later on that I'll try Kishu Inu or some other cryptos that are exploding. Of course, always great to find the reactions, right? That's what people want to hear. That's what we're going to give you guys. And when it comes to AMP token, still holding. I think I've said enough with AMP, but I'll tell you that, well, got to hold for a couple more months on that one. When it comes to Shiba Inu, we like what we're seeing right now. There's of course, there's rumors that it's going to be listed tomorrow on Robinhood. I don't agree that's going to happen. Like, I don't agree that the belief of tomorrow, because there's just no news at all on Robinhood. I don't care what other sources say. I want Robinhood Twitter to say something, and it's not happening, right? So that is really, because if it was another crypto not named Shiba Inu, they will do it. But it's just because that I'm sure they're very careful with their words right now. Robinhood happens to be a company that has so many issues with customers and us, that they see us and they're like, oh wait, if we fail here, if we halt prices, if we stop the buying and selling, everybody's gonna hate us more. So a lot of people left the Robinhood ship because they messed up many different things with Dogecoin, with AMC, with GME, with all of this. So if Robinhood has a successful launch of Shiba Inu, that will bring massive wave of customers that are currently doing stocks. That's the thing. I'm not very, guys, you don't have to look at the cryptocurrency space that are wanting to buy Shiba Inu. No. There's people that buy stocks that now on Robinhood, because Robinhood, it's honestly one of the best platforms to buy stocks. It's pretty user friendly, right? Including public and much more. Once you list a different crypto on Robinhood, it's so easy for stock users to buy that crypto and start giving the volume even more numbers. So that is my thoughts. Davies, welcome aboard. So me here telling you as a summary, if that happens with Shiba Inu specifically, which that's going to be kind of insane, because you have Dogecoin, Ethereum Classic, Bitcoin, Litecoin, and a couple more. Adding Shiba Inu after so many months of not adding one will be insane, will be something that everyone is going to talk about it. I'm telling you, everyone is going to be talking about it. Robinhood may not have enough staff to take on Shiba. Look at Coinbase. They went down because of many buy and sell. That is exactly what I'm saying. Exactly what I'm saying. Guys, yes, we all want Robinhood to be listing Shiba, but you guys sometimes don't understand what that means. Like, that is like, at the moment that kicks in, it's just gonna be massive. It's gonna be everywhere. People are gonna be buying. So that is why Robinhood, if they want it, like, if they can they do it, the answer is absolutely they can. But if they are not ready for it, if the customer line's available to pick up, if the emails is not ready, if their algorithms and the computer and the everything engineering is not ready, problems are gonna come. It probably could get saturated, and well, the sky's the limit. So that is the main issue, right? Because that will occasion like create some havoc, some issues, some mistrust, and well, the typical and classical Robinhood story. Mommy of the Aka, welcome, my friend. Good to see you. Welcome aboard, VIP member here. Nice. So those are my thoughts when it comes to Shiba Inu and when it comes to this stuff. Woo, man, love the Sunday's lives coming out really fresh. I'm talking Shiba Inu checked. Rest of the cryptocurrencies, here it is. My Cardanos are looking fantastic. Just said a couple minutes ago that I'm ready. My foundation looks good. about to be sent to the from my Coinbase Pro wallet to Daedalus wallet. So I continue staking. I love it. I'm Cardano. Any Cardano holders in the house here? Hi to all of you guys. I know Cardano is not been performing as well. And guess what I'm doing? Guess what I'm doing? Buying Cardanos because they're low. Later on, when it's back to $3, everybody, oh, Cardano, Cardano, Cardano. Yes, Cardano. You forgot about Cardano. Cardano is a beauty, right? It takes time. Cardano is not even finished, but I'm buying my Cardano. I'm buying my Cardano. So Cardano is done for me 2021. I love it. Algorand is my next big fish in the sea. I'm buying my Algorand too, putting it to stake. And after my Algorand, which is gonna happen very soon, probably finally I'm gonna go ahead and get away from blockchains a little bit because I have a lot of blockchains right now. I have a lot of money in blockchains, so I want to do something like with decentralized mana or with NFTs, specific NFTs and gaming and all of that. I have Axie Infinity, I have Decentraland, I have Sandbox. So Axie Infinity, Decentraland, Sandbox. I have a plenty options out there. I'll have to select which one. I'll let you guys know, but that's just what I will tell you. Kalori, welcome aboard. So there you guys have it. Like, that is my summary for today. That is my summary for the video. Crypto Live, AM token, Shiba Inu, new prices, and altcoins moving. Boy, oh boy, wow. It went super awesome. It went super fast. Love the lives, love the spirit, love the support. 500 people watching. Incredible. This live is not just specifically Shiba Inu, as you guys know. I already said it. But I'm still loving that you guys are showing up. When it's specifically to Shiba Inu, you will see the thumbnail, the title. But man, super happy and grateful with all of you guys for showing here some support, some love, mad love. And well, Jason or Branson or what is it? Let me see. I cannot even see it. Jason, there you go. Jason, welcome. If you guys are newbies, if you guys have no idea how to do things when it comes to crypto investing, Roth IRA, or stocks, check my link. My first link down below is my Patreon page. That's how you can talk to me on Discord. If you guys know Discord, well, any Patreons talk to me one-on-one, face-to-face, and of course with my private exclusive community on Discord. If you consider that, if you want my relationship like that, consider Discord, consider the Patreon page down in the first link down below. And of course, members here on YouTube, you guys want it, you can use all the beautiful icons, links, and all the perks are right there for you. Man, everyone, great job. You're killing it, keeping the conversation going. Thank you, Traversy Cat. Appreciate it. But anyway, guys, wow, we did it. Like, what an amazing life. Shiba Inu running. We'd love to see it 407. I'm making money because I bought it way cheaper. Now I'm making money. So, and actually, right here, where's Kristen? You, Kristen, are here? I hope that you're here. But yes, some of you guys moved me, pushed me to buy Shiba, to buy other cryptos that oftentimes I didn't want to, and I like that my subscribers, that my viewers look at that and engage with me in that level, right? I like it. I love it. We are normal people. We are just people who want, of course, the best for us, the best for our families, and you guys helped me on that one, so that's pretty good. Very happy that we got into Shiba Inu. Everyone, we made it. We made it. Shiba Inu seems that it's coming up. That is great, very great. Before you leave, why don't you go ahead and smash that like button? Maybe we can get to 300. Thank you to all the subscribers. Thank you to all. There you go, Kristen. Yaki. So thank you, Chris, and a shout out to Chris and to all of the rest of my viewers. And I mean, I just remember your name. I know the people who come back. I remember your name. And of course, you comment on my videos or so. Well, that, of course, adds to the formula. But I remember your name. As I say, as I'm a Mexican, I speak Spanish. If you relate to that with me, well, what I can tell you is huge, massive stuff. Look at the price of Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu, can you let me go? Man, nice. Probably breaking that third Fibonacci. So you guys, oh, yes, it's probably going to come. I'm going to go ahead and move it to the 1 day before. There you go. I mean, to the 1 minute. There you go. So look at these beauties. Look at these beauties. So definitely a lot of price action right now. What do we wanted to see? Exactly what my title says. New prices coming up. Dan Oliver, welcome everyone. Welcome. So we'll see if Shiba Inu makes new moves and has new prices. I'll see that offline of the live stream. You guys continue seeing it in your mobile devices. Please be safe. Have an amazing rest of the day. Welcome November. Wow. October is gone. November is here. Let's get ready. Thank you, Steven. Mad love to you. Mad love to you guys. Let's get ready. We did it. What an awesome life. What an awesome week. What an awesome day. Please, guys, be safe. God bless you all. Wow. Incredible love. Incredible. There you go. Incredible week. And we're ready. We're ready to keep grinding. We're ready to keep exploring. We're ready to keep doing all the things that we want, everyone, because it's insane. So keep it up. Let's go. And I'll see you next time, everyone. Peace, guys. Goodbye, guys. Take it easy. What a great life. What a great night. Take it easy, everyone. Cheers. Bye-bye. Good night. Thank you, guys. Love you guys. Awesome support. Love the comments. We're going to get there, guys. We're going to get there. And you are the first one who sees it. Peace.